What's up guys, welcome to the video, and today I'm gonna show you how you can make a quiz game using PowerPoint. Yes guys, a very simple quiz game using PowerPoint. So I hope you will enjoy the video, like the video, subscribe our channel, and let's get started. So you can simply see the overview. So this is our quiz. We can choose the round. Question number 1, if Prime Minister will say I'll choose Donald Trump, it's the wrong answer. If I'll choose no one, it's correct answer. So next question number 2, let's choose who's the CEO of Apple. Tim Cook is the correct answer. So let's go again a question. You can choose next round. And general round, we have kept only 2 questions for now. Using the technique, you can simply keep more than 2 questions, more rounds you can keep. You can simply make your own quiz game. So be on a video and watch all.
In the great outdoors, forever.
So guys, follow me, like the video, subscribe our channel, and we're gonna start. So first of all, let's start PowerPoint. So press Windows R and Power P and T and press enter. Microsoft PowerPoint is simply being open. So what you do is now, to make a quiz game, let's select layout first. Let's keep blank layout and keep more slides. Let's duplicate this so that we'll get empty slides all. Let's make 7 slides. 4 5 6 7. Okay guys, so at first what it will be simply intro. So let's insert, let's keep here first design for our intro. Okay, this will be our design and we'll keep here intro. So for intro we'll use word art, this. So we'll give welcome to quiz, welcome to the quiz. Okay, it's simply done. If you wanna keep animations, you can simply keep custom animations from here. Keep custom animations, you can just add effects from here, but for now I am not keeping any animation, so let it be like this. And you just keep one button here to start the quiz. Let's keep a button here. To keep the button, use shapes. You can use any kind of button to start quiz, so I'm using this. I feel this is cool button, so let's add a button like this. And what we'll do is we'll make it design also, we'll make it nice. So nice, we'll choose. Okay, this I feel good. So here what we'll do is we'll write start quiz. So edit text, you do go to home, you just select the size, this START, you simply click start. Okay, so in quiz what we generally do, so in generally we choose rounds, then we choose questions. So first now let's make a rounds. So to make rounds, let's keep a design. Okay, this design will keep to choose the round. So here also we'll insert a word art, this, and we'll write here choose your round, your ROUND. We'll keep only one round for the time, and if you wanna make multiple rounds, you can simply make by using same technique. So I'll teach you. So let's make a round. So let's keep a button here, and we'll give more texture to the round. So this might be good. No, it's not so cool. This. Okay, this I feel nice. So we'll edit the text from here, and we'll go in home, we'll select the size, and we'll write here general round. General ROU and a general round. General round. Okay, so for general round we'll simply write choose questions. To choose the questions, let's select the design. Okay, no, sorry, this design for this. Okay, now we'll select, simply keep here a design. Simply choose the design and let's keep number of questions here from insert, and let's insert save. Simply let's use save for number of questions. So let's keep 2 questions for now. Question number 1 and question number 2. You can keep multiple questions by doing more of this, but for now I'm keeping only 2 questions, so video will not be long. So let's delete this. Okay, now let's edit the text. Let's go home and let's select the size and we'll keep 1. Okay, you can simply, what you can do is you can select the this also, this cool, edit text, home, size 96 and 2 will simply keep, and we'll select the text also. For the text, okay, sorry guys, what happened? I forgot to select this. Okay, this one, nice. For question number 2, let's make question number 1 here. To make question number 1, what you can do is select the shape, kind of shape you can select. Let's see some nice shapes here. Let's use this. Okay, this one for questions, and we'll use some options also. So for options we'll use it small. We'll use 2 options. So 1, 2 options. We'll keep 2 options. So let's edit the text. Let's make it more bigger. And first question, let's keep who is the Prime Minister of USA. Okay, let's keep this our question, and let's keep here the options. For options also did the text, and 1 dot Donald Trump. Simply it's good. And over here let's edit the text and let's configure the size, and 2 dot no one. Let's keep no one. Okay, simply good. Sorry, no guys, sorry. So there is no prime minister in USA, so right answer is no one, and if Donald Trump is wrong answer. So let's go down in next slide. Let's go here, let's select the design, better design might be. Okay, let's get this the design, and this is for correct answer. So insert word art, and we'll write here correct answer. This will keep correct answer, and in next slide we'll simply keep the wrong answer. And here we simply keep the wrong answer. Insert word art, this WRONG wrong, ANSW the wrong answer. So what we'll do is we'll keep a button here to go in next question. When the question is correct, then we go in next question. So this next button will keep, and here go back button will keep. Where is the button? This go back button will keep here simply, and we'll go in slide number 7. And here what we'll do is we'll create question number 2. Question number 2 will keep here. For that, again a shape, simply create a shape, really apple. Okay guys, this is our question, and let's keep options. For options let's keep 2 boxes. 1, let's edit the text. Edit the text. What we'll simply do is go home, we'll set the size, and we'll keep 1 dot me, and edit text here, we'll select this home, and here we'll keep right answer 2 dot Tim Tim Cook. It's not seen, I think it will be no problem. So we need more slides, so we'll give new slide, and this one for correct answer. Insert word art, let's insert a word art, and type CURCT correct, ANSW correct answer, and this one for wrong answer, let's insert word art. And now let's keep here the next button, same as previous one, simply this next button, and here I will keep previous. So we can again come to the question. Press the button. Okay. Okay guys, our all overview is ready, and now we need to link this slide with each other. So when we'll press on start, then it should go on choose your round. So you just, what you need to do is left click, and you can simply see here hyperlink. Click on the hyperlink, then go in place in the document. So when you click on start, then it should go in slide number 2. So you click here and press OK, then go in slide number 2. And when you click on the general round, okay, when you click on general round, then it will go on choosing question. So you just go in slide number 3. Okay, and you just go in slide number 3, and when you simply click on question number 1, it will show question number 1. So slide number 4 is question number 1. And let's go in here, and when you will simply click in Donald Trump, then it should go in wrong answer. So where is the wrong answer? This is the wrong answer, and no one is the right answer, so it should go in right answer. So this is the right answer. Okay, so let's go in next slide, and when the answer will be correct, then next button should go to choose question. So this, okay, and when the answer will be wrong, then it should go again to the question. So hyperlink and again to the question. This one is the question, and okay, let's go next question. No, let's go up, and when you simply click on question number 2, then it should go on question number 2, and which is question number 2. This is slide number 7 is question number 2. You can simply see this. Then say okay, question number 2 is done, and you just go down in question number 2 again. This is question number 2, and when you click on this me, then it is wrong answer, so it should go in wrong. Slide number 9 is our wrong, and this is correct, so Tim Cook is correct, so it should go in slide number 8, which is the correct answer. Okay, then same as previous, when correct answer will be there, it will again go to choose questions like this here, and wrong answer will go again to the question. 9 is the question. No, sorry guys, 7 is the question. Okay, and after all questions we completed, then we should choose next round. So we'll insert a shape here. Please insert a shape. We'll edit the text, and we'll go home. We'll make size and choose next round round. So we'll go and choose next round. So we'll keep hyperlink here. Let's choose next round. We'll choose a next round. Okay guys, and I think it's pretty cool and ready. Let's check it by pressing F5 key. Okay, welcome to the quiz, and let's start the quiz. So let's press on start and choose your round. We have only one round for now, general round, and choose a question. Look, it is who is the Prime Minister of USA? Donald Trump. It's wrong answer. Let's go back. No one. It's correct answer. So let's go again, next new question, and we'll choose question number 2. And we'll CEO of Apple me. It's wrong answer. And Tim Cook is correct answer. So again we'll go and choose question. And both questions are completed already. So let's go on next round. We do not have next round. So again we are going here. So guys, we have kept only 2 questions and only 1 round for now. And if you want to keep, then you can keep multiple rounds simply by same technique, by just going save, just insert a next, make a next round. Simply by copying this, you can make multiple questions here simply like this. You can keep 3, you can keep 4, 5, 6, and you can simply keep like this. So guys, it's pretty cool. Hope you enjoyed, hope you learned something. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. First of all, like the video, and after liking the video, press the subscribe button, and the side of the subscribe button there is bell icon. Press the bell icon also, so that you never miss our notifications. Thank you. Bye bye.
Sometimes you need